So you want to learn Ojibwe, language and culture. You've come to the right place, Niji. Is that right? Yep. To learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La 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 dee dee dum. Ho 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 ka hey na. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to do a show for you. And we're going to do a song for you. BOOZHOO. Come on. Get serious, sweetie. Hello, and welcome to the podcast. My name is NANABOOZHOO. Over here is Natasha. Yes, she's the lovely. Yes, she is talented. No, get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha. BOOZHOO Gakina Awiya. And in this corner over here, lest we forget. I always forget he's sitting over there. Yeah, me too. The rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. And today, on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast, whatever. What's the show called today? I think he said something about drum. Sacred drum. The sacred drum. Today's show on the sacred Ojibwe traditional drum ceremony. Or something. I was doing clickbait. You know, I think YouTube likes words like sacred. And Ojibwe. Hey, wait up, hey up. Today we're going to talk about Dwe Igun, the drum. Dwe Igun, sweetie, the drum. That's what I hear. Did you know that the drum was very sacred? Is that right? Yeah. You can sing a song. Bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, ba, bum. That's Joe Jackson. Yeah. Didn't we record that recently? Me and Michael did. Oh, yeah. Oh, I was on that. I sang bass. Oh, that's right. Dwe Igun is the drum. Baga akokwan. Baga akokwan. Pound on drum. Or as Animal would say, beat drum. Ah! Beat drum! Beat drum! You sound just like him. Do I? Yeah, you did an impersonation. For you kids who don't know anything anymore about the Muppets, I'm starting to realize that kids today, they don't care about Kermit and Animal and stuff. They don't? No, they don't know what Sesame Street was and what the Muppet Show was. That's over. Well, they still make movies. Yeah, they do, don't they? Okay, I take that back. Animal is a drummer on the Muppet Show. It's time to start the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to get things started on the Muppet Show tonight. Why do 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 do? Hoka hey, hoka hey. But anyway, everyone's long suspected. It's been an open secret in Muppet Land that Animal is a hopeless, helpless addict, drug addict. Is he really? Yeah, obviously. I had no idea. Beat, drum, smoke, crack. Ah, me animal. Ah. I don't know. How did he ever get into drugs? I think it was Hunter Biden. Really? Yeah, Hunter Biden introduced animal to drugs. Oh, it's horrible. Well, hello everyone. John Redcorn, BOOZHOO, from my Uncle Wally Bear. Miigwech. Did John give us a super chat? Yep, he gave us $2 from Uncle Wally Bear. Wally Bear's here too, sweetie. Oh, hey, Wally Bear. What's going on, fellas? MJ's here. BOOZHOO, MJ. BOOZHOO. Welcome to the show, you guys. John says every song is medicine. Is that true? Yeah, I think so. Every song is can be healing. They say it's the heartbeat of Mother Earth. That's what they say. Yeah. Oh, the Earth's heart just stopped. I guess it's dead. Nah. Yeah, do it again, sweetie. Halfway. Abatuse, halfway. We're halfway through the week. Wednesday is Abatuse. And got our laundry done yesterday. Thank you very much, Mr. Lyons. Not a problem. Michael went to the laundromat. Yep. It's nice that we have help around the house. Yeah. The house is nice and warm these days since Lyons here put on the plastic sheeting. We should have done that 10 years ago. I know, it's insane. That really does help. Yeah. If your house is cold and the furnace is constantly running, put plastic on the windows. I know everybody says that, and like 10% of us do it. But when you actually do it, it's worth it. It's nice and warm in here. You forget that it's cold outside because it's not a very good subject for a podcast. Yeah. On today's podcast, winterizing your windows. Actually, we'd probably get more viewers if we did stuff like that. This stuff like how to put on plastic on the windows. Yeah. How to properly install plastic window winterizing. Which brands are the best? Which brands of two-sided tape? You know. Yeah. Anyway. So today, did you guys want to sing a song? Yeah, we could sing Leech Lake or Do You Remember? Now I can't remember which one I wanted to start with. Either one. Ladies and gentlemen, here's Nagamon. Here's a song. A traditional Anishinaabe spiritual Doegan Nagamon. Drum song. There's not even any drums on this. Oh, but do you remember? Gimmick Wayne Dane and a. Gimmick Wayne Dane and a. Do you remember? Gee, you. McWayne Dane. Remember. And question mark. That's pretty much how. It's a one-word sentence. McWayne Dane and a. Do you remember? Do you remember the 80s, sweetie? I remember it all. Nah. McWayne Dane and a. Do you remember? Ooh. I don't know. Take it away, you guys. Gimmick Wayne Dane and do you remember? Gimmick Wayne Dane and do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Means do you remember? Do you remember? I remember one day, and you and me in the pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in. But I remember your ways, you and me in a sad embrace. And I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. I remember one night, and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace. And I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha and Michael Lyons. Oh, wow, you guys are great. Hey, thanks, man. And that was Gimmick Wayne Dane and Do You Remember? Gimmick Wayne Dane and then what was that second part of that song? Well, and then we kind of went into Will I Ever See You Again? Oh yeah, Will I? That was cool. Gimmick Wayne Dane, Do You Remember? Do you remember? So John got fired from work. Oh, really? Yeah, he says, I got fired from work today. My boss is only 22 years old. Don't laugh! What? I'm sorry, John. What, did he get fired from a 22-year-old? Maybe his career path wasn't really... Maybe it's a good thing that he got fired. Well, probably. John, congratulations. Every time I ever got fired in my life, which was many times, more times than not, and I'm not like a weirdo, says you. I've lost so many jobs. They've always marked a time right before something much better happened. I can boldly say this. What's that? When you get fired, put out some tobacco, thank the Creator for this good thing that just happened. Because that's not your path. Having a door slammed in your face, like getting fired, not getting the job, getting dumped, getting whatever. That's the Creator slamming the door in your face going, nope, this way. And the good news is, once you hit what's not your path, you might stumble right onto what's really your path. Something really good might be right around the corner, dude. Like in 3 or 4 days, that thing that you wanted to have happen might finally blossom, come to life. I mean, it's always such a kick in the gut when you get fired. Yeah. You know, it's like getting dumped. Even if you hated your girlfriend, yeah, getting dumped and getting fired is still like rejection. And you go, oh, yeah, well, you can't fire me. I quit. You know, but you go home and you're all, for a second, freaking out. What am I going to do for money? I'm going to become homeless. I should go into a life of crime. Don't go into a life of crime, John. Now is the time for you to let go and go with the flow. Let the waves of fortune, for the waves of fate were strong. How's that go? For the days of fate were strong for you. Oh yeah, it's nothing to do with waves. But it's a fateful time. Something's going to happen. It's time to take that leap of faith and go screw it. Do the thing you really want to do. Because once again, every time I got fired, I was reminded. Number one, they're not your friends. Nobody cares about you. And the people you work with are not your friends. Your boss is your enemy. He was always the guy threatening to take away your livelihood. Now he did it. Little 22-year-old punk. Oh, but it's probably not his decision. Somebody above him, but whatever. That's the creator saying, get out. Go start the band finally. Or whatever it is that you wanted to do. Take that trip. Start the farm. Get the chickens. And, go into business for yourself. Last time Michael got fired is when we started the live stream. Yep. I mean, we were doing videos for years, but we didn't have a live stream until Michael got canned. There's no way around it either. He was let go. Yeah, well, because they wanted to fire him. But again, it was the best thing that could happen to you. Oh yeah, I'm very grateful. And so, yeah. Anyway, getting fired. I mean, I'm sorry in a way, because I know it hurts. But on the other side, I'm kind of happy for John. Yeah. Underpaid, overworked. Exactly. Every job's that way. Never worth the stress. There's never the payoff going, well, I did have to give up 8 hours of my day today, but at least I made $1,000. No, it's usually, I made enough money this month to pay my rent and food and stuff and car expenses so I can keep working. So most of us, all we ever did was, I can survive so I can keep working. They pay you so you can not die, so you can keep coming back. And it's never worth it. Nobody's ever been fired from a job and then later on went, I really missed that job. I loved working there. It was really, I was at my best. Yeah. And my best friends were my coworkers until the day I got fired. But to this day, my boss is still like a father figure to me. Last time I saw my boss from the last job I was fired from. Yeah. We pretended we didn't even see each other, and it was obvious. It was in a cell phone store. Yeah. He comes walking in with his ugly wife. And we don't say hi. We don't nod, He goes about his business. I go about mine. And it's the three of us and the guy who works there. And we didn't even talk to each other. It was very awkward. It's going to be even more awkward now that you called his wife ugly. Well, that's just a part of record. That's public record. I mean, he was no prize either. But So anyway, do you remember? Do you remember getting fired? Congratulations. MJ's going off on racism. Racism affects us financially most times. It's expensive. I can't even afford to keep racism in my house. But somehow we manage. Yeah. But you know who's really racist? Who's that? I don't know. The government. What else we got here? We got day of the week. Where's the word? Mino Gigajeb. Good morning. Although it's the afternoon. It's not even morning anymore. It could be morning like sad time. It's a good sad time. Free fry bread for... What? Free fry bread for the BOOZHOO crew. All right, John. Gonna get some of that fry bread. As long as you're not making Indian tacos. I don't want to eat an Indian on my taco. No, I'll take beef, thank you. Ground beef tacos, that's great. Chicken tacos, fine. Indian tacos, ugh. I'm not a cannibal. No. Okay. La-di-da-di. Grassroots Indians is back. Okay. BOOZHOO, Grassroots, where have you been? Yeah, I've been wondering. I haven't seen Grassroots in a couple of days. What's going on, Mini G? So today, sweetie, I wanted to talk about something really important. Yeah, what's that? Word number 4. Leech Lake? Oh, yeah. Gazagaskwa Jamaica. Leech Lake. On the shores of Leech Lake. Ho-ho-ka-hey. Gazagaskwa Jamaica. Gazagaskwa Jamaica Nindunjaba Hoa Gazagaskwa Jamaica Nindunjaba Leech Lake na. Ga refers to a place. O is a prefix that sometimes means like a person, the OJIBWE or whatever. But Ga, Zagaskwa Jame, Cog is a place called Leech Lake. Ga, Zagaskwa Jamaica, Nindunjaba is where I'm from. Although Bemidji Gamug Nindunjaba is where I'm from. You're from the town of Bemidji? Yep. We're filming live from Bemidji. Live from the shores of Bemidji Gamug. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Anyway, this is a song. Should we do the song right away and then you can take over? We could. Or you could take a phone call. Oh, a phone call? Really? Yeah, I'd line too. Oh, sure. I'll take a call real quick. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hey there, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, Kermit the Frog. Yay! Hey, Kermit, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing very well. I wanted to call in today to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Well, we were just talking about Leech Lake. You know, a good bait for fishing walleye is leech. And so I heard some people sometimes use frogs as bait. No! Yeah. For like muskie or something really big. I would never use a frog. But Gazagaskwa Jamaica, Leech Lake. Gazagaskwa Jamaica. Oh, that's so interesting. I would love to come up and visit Gazagaskwa Jamaica to visit Leech Lake sometime. Yeah, you should. You know, the old lady and I have been wanting you to come up and visit. Yeah, I might have to. You know, Miss Piggy and I have been looking for a place to go get away. Yeah. Listen about that. You gonna talk to him? I gotta be real. Okay. About Miss Piggy, Kermit. Yeah? I know she's your old lady and that, and you love her, and you seem to tolerate her abuse. Yeah. But I don't want her in my house. But she's my girlfriend. I can't visit you without my girlfriend. Yeah, well, she's not a girl, and she's not your friend. And she sucks, and I don't want her in my house. She's abusive. She's been physically abusive to you. She sucks, and Natasha is itching to fight her. I'm not going to invite that in. Yeah, no, you can bring her around. Yep, you bring Miss Piggy here. I got something for her. A knuckle sandwich. Nah. Yeah, don't tempt Natasha. She really wants to fight Miss Piggy. And you want to come visit? That'd be great. You're my Niji and my brother. But your old lady's not welcome here. Oh, well, I guess I might not be able to visit then. She doesn't let me go places by myself. See, that's what I'm talking about. You're a beta male. You can't let your old lady boss you around like that. I don't do that. Hey, mister. I'm sorry. Sorry, dear. But you get off the phone with Nanaboozhoo right now. Oh, okay. I got to go, Kermit. I'm afraid my girlfriend might beat me if I keep talking to you. Well, you better do what she says. No, she wouldn't do that. See, the fact that you believe that tells me there's a problem. You gotta get rid of that Miss Piggy. But I love her. No, you don't. You gotta grow a pair, man. Here's a song. Wake up, Kermit, she's a transvestite. Wait up, Miss Piggy, I'm gonna knock you out if you come to my house. Way up, hey, hey, oh. No. Yeah, no, don't. I'm sorry, buddy. I love you, but I don't approve of your relationship, and I don't condone that kind of relationship. But she's my wife. She's not your wife. Yeah, we got married. No, you didn't. That's not a marriage. A frog can't marry a pig. That's an abomination. It's in the Bible. Somewhere in the back, I think. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta go, Niji. Get rid of that old lady. Oh, I'll think about it. Hey, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, apparently you don't know how to say goodbye in pig Latin, because you don't say goodbye to that pig. But in Ojibwe, we say Gigawabamin. Minawa. Well, I'll think about it. But until then, Gigawabamin, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. Yeah, you too. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Kermie. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Natasha. Yay! Yeah. See you later, Kermit. You know, it was harsh, but I don't think you're being a friend to anybody if you can't be honest with your friends. Really? Yeah. I'm brutally honest. Sometimes I hurt people's feelings. Sometimes, I don't know. I'm just straight up violent. I'm itching to fight that Miss Piggy. Yeah. But, so, Gazagaskwa Jamaica. And here's another song by the rock star cartoonist in the corner. And the lovely and talented Natasha in this corner. And Miigwech ga Bizendawieg. Up next, Natasha. Thank you for listening. So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in Ojibwe. Gazakaswa Jamaica, Gazakaswa Jamaica. It's fun when you sing it. Now Natasha's gonna bring it. want Jamaica. Cause August 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 want You think you got it? Cause August want Jamaica. Each leg. BOOZHOO! Natasha Nindigenous Cause. Natasha is my name. How you guys doing? Oh, just pretty out here. Mika, what is it? Guching. Beautiful outside. And, yeah. I was gonna put out some tobacco. Gazaga squaw, Jamaica, BOOZHOO get your mana do. Oh, hello, Great Spirit. Please accept my tobacco. Daga otapana niwi asema. Thank you for everything that you do today. Mikwech kaishi kakina keku. Kaishi chikan nungum. Thank you for my life. Mikwech ka bisandawieg. Dush and dush. Thank you for healing my grief. Mikwech ka kage niwi gash gaindamoen. Amen. Apeyenge. I pretty regularly thank the Creator for healing my grief. Grief relief, I call it. That's one thing everybody has in common eventually. Couple of things everybody has in common. Being born. Everybody at some point was born. And dying. Everybody's going to die. And if you're lucky enough to outlive anybody, you're unlucky enough to know what it's like to lose somebody and to have grief. Osido endem. Gashgaindamoen. Whatever you want to call it. Sorrow. Sadness. It's a mysterious, we don't even know really what to call it. Because it's not just, oh, I'm so sad. It's not missing somebody. It's not like, oh, I noticed this person's gone and now I miss them. You know. It's not nostalgia. Grief is this deep, profound, spiritual soul thing. And you can get grief from losing a job and getting fired by a 22-year-old John, you know. But most of it, after a while, you get good at getting fired. It's like getting dumped. I've never been dumped because NanaBOOZHOO is the only boyfriend I ever had. But I've known a lot of people who have been dumped repeatedly. And it stings less every time, I'm told. But yeah. La 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 di da. Hoka hey. Oh, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. What's going on? Yeah? You don't say. Oh, wow. Oh, this celebrity gossip. Mm-hmm. Well, that doesn't sound... Apparently, Britney Spears is married, but she went to Mexico and she posed and had a bunch of dirty videos that she put on Instagram, and now her teenage sons are all embarrassed and they don't want anything to do with her. Well, I would imagine kids do not appreciate their moms rolling around in the sand, buck naked. Yeah, but why do you care? You're birds out here in the beautiful woods. Get off your phone. These birds are addicted to TikTok. No. TikTok. I don't even know what TikTok is. To Instagram. To Instagool. Anyway. So, yeah. It's chilly out here. Brr. I should have worn my scarf. But yeah. Hard times all over the place. I wonder what Kiss is up to. I suppose they're touring. I think they were in Australia not long ago. Everybody's still alive. I mean, not Eric Carr. Or poor old Mark St. John, who nobody cares about. Who's Mark St. John, you want to know? Oh, really? He was only a guitarist in Kiss. The third one. Ace Frehley quits. Vinnie Vincent joins, quits. And there was Mark St. John for about a year. And only played like one show with Kiss, I think. But he was in the Feel My Heat Taking You Higher, Burn With Me, Heaven's on Fire. Heaven's on Fire video? That's Mark St. John. He died. And they don't even mention him in like documentaries and stuff. They barely mention Eric Carr because the fans won't let him just forget about him. But yeah. Right, otherwise, I think Gene Simmons is 70 by now. He was the youngest member of Kiss. Gene. When I was a little girl, I listened to Kiss records all the time, and I would draw them, and I would sometimes play that I was in Kiss. But when I was a little girl, it wasn't just about being a musician. If you were in Kiss, you also had like superhero powers. And like if you were Paul Stanley, you could shoot stuff out of one eye, lasers. You could swing around. He had grappling hooks. Gene Simmons could fly because he had bat wings. Breathe fire. Vomit. That's some power. Oh, I get icky stomach and I throw up blood. Yeah. What? Why? Why is that part of your act, Gene? I've never understood that. Even the breathing of fire is lame. Ooh, look at me spit some kerosene out of my mouth. Oh, are you breathing fire like Godzilla? Yeah, you're regular Godzilla in my makeup. All right, Gene, that's enough. That's enough, Gene. We've had enough. On behalf of the KISS Army and reasonable people on the planet Earth, cut it out. We don't want to see your antics anymore. Sick of it. Paul, you keep doing you. That still works. But Gene, nope. I wish somebody would replace Gene. I could be a better bass player than Gene Simmons. I wonder if Johnny Depp could play Gene Simmons' bass lines. Anyway, I suppose I should go back. I said my prayers. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. You ready to come home? Yeah, can you teleport me back? You know you're just in the holodeck, right? Oh, that's right. I always think I'm really outside. All right. Computer. Boop, boop, boop. Please end outdoor simulation. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Well, you want me to teleport you from there? Yeah, could you? Sure. It's so realistic that I forget I'm just in a silly teleporter. All right. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. There she is. Hey, baby doll. How you doing? I'm doing great. It's pretty outside. It's getting cold, though. Oh, really? Yeah. I mean, it wasn't that bad, I guess, but summer is over. Yeah, summer's definitely over. I think autumn's over. No, it's still fall. Doug Wagon. Soon it will be baboon. And here's a man, your Ojibwe words of the day. No. I don't know. What are you guys doing around here? Not much. Did you talk about Michael's books? No, we just sit and wait when you're outside. Oh, really? You guys don't just keep going on with the show? No, you are the show. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah. Oh. You mean you guys are filming me when I'm praying? That's sacrilegious. No, it's not. If you'd like to support the show, Michael Lyons has books for sale at Amazon.com. Click the link in the description, like you do. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Click like, share, and subscribe, because this is the first time these people have ever been on YouTube. They don't know how that works. Yeah. Today's show is brought to you by the generous support of the Melinda T. and Catherine P. McCartney Foundation, by the Children's Television Workshop, and viewers like you. Was it really? No. The show is supported by the BOOZHOO crew, by Super Chats, by our friends, by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, and by God. Yeah. In the end, I think Kitchimanadoo's. Today's Ojibwe word of the day was brought to you by the creator himself. He wants you to know your Ojibwe words. If you'd like to support us financially, we have PayPal, Patreon, and GoFundMe links in the description too. Do we still have the book up? We should. The book called La-di-da-di, ha-ha-ha, baby. We got rid of it. Oh, okay. We have books like, we have BOOZHOO OJIBWE. There you go. BOOZHOO OJIBWE, what can you do? OJIBWE, BOOZHOO OJIBWE. It's a little book about a squirrel. OJIBWE, squirrel. Hello, squirrel. By Michael Lyons is a picture book. And meaning it's just cartoons and simple Ojibwe. It's all Ojibwe though, huh? Yep. The only Ojibwe in BOOZHOO OJIBWE is the word "by" when it's when I wrote it by Michael Lyons. Oh, just the only English word in BOOZHOO OJIBWE is the word "by" Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Well, fellas, I just plumb ran out of anything I wanted to talk about. Don't you want to talk about current events? Current events? I don't know. Should we see what the BOOZHOO crew's up to? Yeah. John's, where is my auntie surrealist? Ooh, where is my auntie surrealist? Ooh, where is surrealist? Someday we'll see surrealist in the chat again. Someday surrealist will come back to the chat. Ooh, things are gonna get easier someday, yeah. Well, what did we learn, baby? I think I lost stuff I knew before the show. Yeah, I lost brain cells doing the show today. I now know less than I used to. Minoki Gashabe. Yes, good morning. Word of the day is Wednesday. Abatuse. Oh, what was the song for that? Abatus, abatus, abatu, say. I got to say, abatuse, baby. We're halfway. My other world, abatuse, la-di-da-da. And a drum is a Dewey gun. And one thing, ladies, I can't stress this enough. Here's my moment of Naboozuhoo. Auntie Natasha's wisdom. I don't mean to talk down to anybody who's my elder. But young ladies, when it comes to being on the drum, that is no place for a woman. When you sit at a drum, you must have a drumstick, meaning you must be a guy. Yeah. If you have a pajagan, you may drum sitting. Otherwise, it is forbidden for women to sit at a drum. You must stand behind the men and sing. You should never sit at the drum like what I'm doing. Wait up, hey ladies, don't drum this way. It freaks out the elder drum guys. They don't like seeing it one bit. That's true. Yeah, that's what I was always told when I was growing up. That women shouldn't sit at the drum. That's a men thing. You gotta have a Dewey gun, a tig. You gotta have a drumstick. Or a Dewey gun. A baga kokwan, a tig. That's what they also call it. A pounding stick. But I don't care. I'm not a very traditional lady. Here's a two-step. Here's a old-style Indian Hollywood movie drum beat. Yeah, that's how it is in the old movies. Hi-ya, 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 hi-ya. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? Nah. Here's a Buddy Make a Noise, Make a Big Noise beat. Buddy make a noise, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. Mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put you back into your place. We will rock you. What's another drum beat? Oh, there's the Iron Maiden Trooper. I can't do it. Do 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 do. What if I did this? That almost works. Maybe I never told you. Maybe I didn't love you. Maybe I didn't love you, not Nanaboozhoo. You don't love me? Well, maybe I didn't. Maybe I never... No, it is told you. Maybe I never told you. I can't remember the words. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Oh, yeah. Quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Little things I should have said and done. I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind, sweetie. Well, thank you. You were always on my mind, baby. We got anyone calling in? No. Denver March Powwow. A woman was singing Grand Entry. Look it up. The scandal, sweetie. What's that? John Redcorn says a broad, a bird, a lady, some Ikwe, some uppity woman was singing the Grand Entry song. Oh my goodness. I never thought I'd live to see the day. Well, there you go. I'm going to start a woman's march. There you go. We got to take back our streets. We got to, what's that called? Take back the night. We got to take back the night. Seven Nations Army. Now. La la dee dee da dee dee dum. We're gonna lock a do. Seven Nations. I'm gonna hold me down. Do the way gone. Hey, Friendship is here. Bonjour, Friendship. Well, hello, Friendship. How nice to see you. We were just hanging around, talking about drums, Animal, the drummer of the... Well, it's time to start the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to get Animal wired for the show tonight. You know what we could do? What's that? I think we should remake Pink Floyd The Wall, but use the Muppets. Yeah. And like Animal could play the main character. Pink? Yeah. And we could show him like shooting up and, you know, getting wired on drugs and stuff. That's a great idea. What happened to us remaking Smoke Signals? You know, I was thinking about doing getting Michael and what's her name? Emily. Yeah, Emily involved. And having us do like a table read maybe this afternoon. Well, maybe we should. I think that'd be cool. Do you think enough people have seen Smoke Signals to get it? I don't think you have to see it. If we do it well, it'll stand up on its own. All right, count me in. Okay. It's time to start the... Hey, Nancy's from Schmancy's here. Oh, really? BOOZHOO, Nancy Schmancy. Welcome back to the show. So nice to see you. She says, yes, please remake Smoke Signals. Don't you even know how to be a real Indian? I guess not. Well, I'm going to have to teach you, innit? First of all, you got to stop grinning like an idiot. Indians don't walk around smiling like that. You got to look stoic. You got to look like you just came back from killing a buffalo. But our people never killed buffalo. We were fishermen. You want to look like you just came back from catching a fish? This ain't Dances with Salmon, you know. Yeah. If we do the remake, I want to play Victor. You're gonna be Victor, and then that would make me Thomas. Yeah, you could be Thomas Builds a Fire. Do you think you can do the accent? Do you think I can do Thomas Builds a Fire accent? Hey, Victor, where's your dad? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't hear it. But yeah, Victor's always just chewing him out. Poor old Thomas. You know, if I'm being honest, who I hate in that movie? Who? Thomas Builds a Fire's grandma. What? Why? She's so cute. Yeah, she looks just like him. I get it. They both wear glasses, have the exact same hairstyle. But she's just such a bad actress. He's all like, hey, I'm going to go to Phoenix, Arizona with Victor. And she's like, Victor, he's mean to you. Oh, Thomas, tell me what's going to happen. Tell me what her acting is just, it's off the charts terrible. I'm like, lady, there's a reason why you've never saw Thomas's grandmother in any movie before Smoke Signals, and you never saw her again after Smoke Signals. Even though she had perfect Anishinaabe braids and a goofy, she had glasses and stuff. She looked cute. But, well, Nancy goes, no, I love his grandma. Do you? Yeah, I love his grandmother too. Oh, you guys don't know bad acting. He's mean to you. Who else is terrible in that movie? What about the white gymnast girl on the bus? Oh, that girl from Northern Exposure? Her accent, she had like a southern accent. What kind of Indian are y'all? What year was that movie supposed to take place? I think the 90s. Really? No, wait. It was the 4th of July party when the movie starts. So when they're babies, they're born in 1976. Oh yeah, it was Independence Day. 1976. Independence Day. My mother and father held the largest 4th of July party in Coeur d'Alene history. I mean, every Indian in the world was there. Yeah. Okay, that might be worth doing. John McCormick goes, who's your favorite Indian? Nobody. No, who's your favorite Indian? Nobody. Yeah, there's just such heart-wrenching moments in that movie. I don't remember that fire. I only have the stories. When Thomas talks about being thrown out of that building. And in every story, I could fly. Oh, it gives me shivers thinking about it. Okay, yeah, let's work on that today. Okay. We also got to think about the KAXE thing. Yep. Oh, hey, I got news. I think it's okay to announce this. All right, November 29th at the, okay, this is why I should have looked it up. I can never remember what it's called. McCrosty, I think. We're coming back to the McCrosty Art Center, if that's what it's called. The big art center in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, on November 29th at 5 o'clock Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, NANABOOZHOO, Emily, and me are gonna come and sing some songs, tell some jokes, and give away some books. So come on down. As it gets closer, we'll start advertising or something. And we should tell KAXE too. They might want to promote it. Yeah, okay. Otherwise, Michael, you want to add anything? Nope, that's perfect. Okay. NANABOOZHOO? Nope, that's good. All right, I'm going to land the plane. Hey, everyone. Just want to say, miigwech bisandawieg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. Miigwech! My name is Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. Thank you. This is Michael Lyons. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Yigalamamin. Sweetie pie? Oh, I should have shown it. That doesn't matter. You gotta start. Alright. 1 to teleport. Make it... Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to start. Yeah, you start. You gotta say that. 1 to teleport. Make it so. Number 1. See you tomorrow.